Overseas, media's technology and appliances are becoming more and more well-known and building a reputation for themselves. Today, I'm going to be visiting a media campus that I hear has a smart brain. How technologically advanced is Guangdong? Let's find out together. I'm here today at the Media Technology Building in Shunde Manufacturing Base, and I hear that all the buildings here have smart brains. Here we have Ada from Media, and he's going to introduce it to us.
Hello, Mandy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
We are at Media Building Technologies in Shunde Manufacturing Base. This used to be a major energy consumer, but after revelations, it has become energy efficient and low carbon, and even become a model for low-carbon smart industrial parks.
But how are low-carbon parks and smart buildings related?
In simple terms, to achieve low carbon, we must have a low-carbon or zero-carbon energy supply system throughout the entire process of building, construction, and operations. We also need energy storage systems and a smart digital management system to support it.
Okay, now I get it. So how did this industrial park transform from a high-energy consumer to a model of low carbon and environmental protection?
Okay, let me reveal the secret. Distributed photovoltaic and energy storage system create a great and low-carbon energy supply system. This employs a lot of cutting-edge technologies to save energy. Especially is our iBuilding smart office system and carbon management platform. A combination of factors has made this park a model of low-carbon living. And low carbon reduction is just one of the many benefits of smart buildings. For people living and working in these buildings, smart buildings are like buildings with their own brains. For example, it can adjust the indoor temperature and humidity based on weather conditions, creating a comfortable environment. It can also automatically ventilate, ensuring fresh air and reducing the possibility of office bacteria and viruses spread. Moreover, it can automatically detect and control lights and air conditioning with human intervention. Also, the smart management system can quickly identify energy anomalies, suggest control measures, and reduce operational costs while improving efficiency.
It sounds like it's powered by AI.
Yeah, exactly.